This guy here is a young classic.
This fish is no underdog.
Tonight we're gonna draw Glyptodon,
Even its young, barely half its
one of the
size,
classic
are
armored
fierce and
ancestor of the
predators.
armadillo.
And this juvenile has spotted something out in
Kyle,
the
put
blue.
your favorite sweetheart shirt on for them for my
All right.
Hammerheads,
thank you.
close relatives of today's deep sea nautilus.
Anyway, much like armadillos, they are heavily armored. Only this one always carries a shell
Dunkleosteus has the
made
pace
of bone.
to catch up with them.
I know that. The reason? Well, I saw one of these at the Museum of Natural History,
But
and
Ammonites
Glyptodon has been a
boast a tribe
very,
of their own.
very successful and one of my favorite skeletons that were discovered at the Museum of Natural History,
70 million years after the Great
shown at
Mammoth,
the
in a
exhibition
period known as the
right across from
Devonian,
the Titanosaur.
vertebrates made their mark.
You guys are free to check that out if you want.
This is Dunkleosteus,
Here's the armor.
a descendant of the tiny Arrhenoceros. But at 9 meters long, this fish is no underdog.
Here is the tail for his back.
Even its young, barely half its size, are fearsome predators. And this juvenile has spotted something out in the blue.
We just fill these in. Glyptodon have a shell that's
Of today's
mostly
deep-sea nautilus.
have a scaly pattern. Now let's draw the rest of his armor.
Is that on YouTube, Rob? What? What you're watching, is that YouTube? Are you watching YouTube?
Yeah. Why?
No, I didn't know.
You making a movie tonight? You want
Yeah.
to put pajamas on or you want to wait?
I plan to take a bath afterwards.
A bath or a shower?
Bath
Better
after this.
You know what, my grandson is really,
Grandma, get and clean and take a hot shower, okay? The bathtub has to be scrubbed first. There's dust in it. Go ahead. Ooh, that looks nice. Use a sharper pencil, Kyle. Don't, when you're doing artwork, you gotta keep sharpening that pencil. Am I in video? That's very nice.
but that's an
But
armadillo.
wouldn't it be save time just to do it on that, with that? Okay? Okay?
Doing an armadillo?
Don't worry, I got it under control.
Alright, it just takes time to go
Where's
over
the
it.
armadillo that you copying from? Was it
Some
just
of
what
it he
was
just
mine?
draws.
Oh,
It's cute. It's a cute armadillo. I know.
what are you looking for, Kyle?
These lines and stop. The lines in the floor. Stop. You could.
Okay, I get it. I get it. Now then, I gotta finish this. And
I got it.
almost
I
there.
got a one from
And done. There he is. That's how you draw a Glyptodon. All credit goes out to those who work at the American Museum of Natural History. And I dedicate this to those who go there and all those who enjoy it. Did I mention I do unboxing videos? Yeah, I do that. Be free to donate. And done.